good there, right?
Yes, sir. I mean, man.
Ready? Ready? What's going on, guys? So we're back with another reaction video. This is Try Not to Laugh Challenge. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Are you ready to laugh?
Yes.
Let's get started. That's what he gets. Oh, damn. Oh my god, Rory just pooped in the car. No! 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 She pooped a turd on me! Oh my god, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. That is funny. Aww.
Hang on.
He's like, get away from me. He's like really trying to climb in there.
Easy, do you like biscuits?
What?
Do you like biscuits?
He's like,
Dog's having a seizure. I want a biscuit. I want a biscuit. I want a biscuit. I want a biscuit.
I want a biscuit. I want a biscuit.
oh, that's cool. The color was like right there.
Yeah.
Got the ball. Get it.
He has the ball.
Ready? Ready?
Oh shit.
Playing soccer.
That is so
Ready? Punch it. Punch it.
Oh,
Get some potato chips. I'm hungry.
that old guy.
No, just grab the whole bag.
Oh, that's a seagull. That was a duck. Yo. Oh, how cute.
You're too close. The dog's just warning her.
The cat. He doesn't want the cat near him. Oh!
Oh.
my gosh.
You want to go to the park?
What?
Go ahead.
Wait a minute. I gotta psych myself.
He doesn't like snakes.
Look like he about to pee on himself.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'll put this in.
Just put your hands down.
Wait! I'll tell you when to go. Okay?
Team up.
She turned it up! Boom! She turned it back! Get it now! Get it! Come on now! Get a snake! Get a snake! Get a snake! I'm gonna
It's just a baby.
I'm gonna drop the snake now! Ah! Bring it down! Get it now! Okay. Get it! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her!
Uh-oh.
She's like, I want it in this lane. I was videotaping her.
Oh god, the flying fish.
Oh, right in the face. Oh, right in the face.
Oh damn. Aww.
Oh.
Oh god. He's like, where'd it go? What the? What? They're like, I know they're watching me. Oh, that's just like Lily.
Yeah.
Anything for food my dog would do. He can't reach it. Look at his tongue. Oh! Oh!
You got no nuts.
Damn. That's Rocky. Always slobbering. Ugh.
Good stuff, isn't it?
Oh
Look
my
at
god.
that. Wow.
That's like a water fountain, guys.
Oh, yeah, that's good stuff, isn't it, Sadie? Oh my. Oh, I
Oh
bet you'd
my
like some of
goodness.
this, wouldn't you? Oh,
It reminds me of Zeus.
Let's see. There you go. Yeah, good girl.
Ugh. Oh my, oh the male. Oh my god.
I want to know the guy's male.
He's like, is it done?
It's Chewbacca.
That's so funny.
Help.
That's what it sounds like he's saying. Ow. cute. You're his little treat.
Got a chair. Let's see.
He doesn't know if he wants to sit down or just.
Yeah, he can't get
Yeah,
up.
he can't get back up. He's like, I'm out of here. Oh. Whoa, what are you doing? That's not where the milk is. Well, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short video, so if you do want to see us react to like more animal funny reactions or whatever other reactions you guys want to see, you know. Okay guys, so we're wrapping up the video here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to us. Yes. And we have our Twitter and Instagram. It will be linked down below. So yeah. And don't forget to comment if you guys want anything else. Pranks. I'm willing to do pranks on anyone. My husband, family, friends. Just let me know. And yeah. Bye guys.